Happy birthday. Keep singing. Happy birthday.
Yo, brother Conrad, this is Ian. Happy birthday. Just enjoy your day. Dito lang kami sa Philippines. Just remember to pray. God loves humble people. So kahit anong blessings na natin, just pray. Especially from the South Philippines. Mas maraming blessings na nalaman. Happy birthday, guys.
Hi Kuya Rad! Happy birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon. Thank you pala sa support, sa guidance. Lagi kang nandyan kapag kailangan ka namin. So, sobrang thank you talaga. And, kahit na alam namin sobrang busy ka, pero lagi ka pa rin nakatambay sa mga SE accounts namin. Tapos, lagi namin makikita, may comment na kagad ng mga post namin. So, sobrang sarap ng feeling pag ganun. So, yun. Tapos, thank you rin pala na naging part ako ng playlist of the week. Yun, ingat lagi. Stay safe. Ingat lagi. Enjoy your day, Kuya Rad, kasi day mo yan. God bless. Love you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Conrad! Sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo. Kasi ako nakilala kita. Hindi ka babati sa'yo isa.
Hello, babe! Happy birthday!
Ayan. Ito sila, kumakain sila eh. Bati kaya. Happy birthday, Conrad! Happy birthday, Rob. Happy birthday, Idol. Ayun. Ayun. Sige, happy birthday ulit. Sana maging masaya ka. Nanay ko babati daw sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Conrad! Nanay ni June!
Ayun. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Bye-bye!
Hey Rad, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Gusto ko din mag-thank you for being supportive kahit sobrang talented mo, sobrang galing mo. I mean, hindi ka nagkukulang mag-support sa mga fellow SoundCloud Philippines members natin. And I'm really blessed na nakasama kita sa pagiging admin kasi marami nakatutunan sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being a blessing to all of us. I wish you all the best sa family, sa health, sa personal life, sa career mo. Yun. Yung collab natin. Sorry, ang tagal na. Aralin ko, promise. Sir. Happy birthday.
Hello Conrad, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa grupo. Thank you rin kasi I know na ikaw yung isa sa mga tao na nag-push na maging admin ako. And thank you for believing in me na kaya ko rin pala yung responsibility na yun. You know how much I look up to you in terms of singing. Ikaw yung isa sa mga pinakamagaling na main vocalists dito sa SoundCloud, and I really look up to you. And also, maraming salamat kasi hindi lang ako pero ikaw sobrang generous mo sa ibang members in giving tips. Kahit maliit or malaking artist yan, you've been always giving sa mga compliments and comments and points for improvement. And it's very important para sa amin. We feel loved by you, feel that we are important to you. And that's all that matters. That's why you are a very good admin. Yun lang. So again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Conrad!
What's up, brother Bess? Well, I'm not a very video person, but this time I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. And I want you to know that I'm very thankful for having you as a brother, a friend, and a co-admin in SoundCloud Philippines. Continue to be a blessing to your family, your friends, and your colleagues as well. You are a wonderful creation of God with such passion for music and with a huge talent. So keep rocking. Happy birthday, and I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, boss Conrad. Thank you for all the good vibes, sa lahat ng suporta. Salamat sa talent and na sinishare mo sa amin, and salamat sa lahat ng mga payo as a friend. Salamat sa pagiging good admin, sa pagiging very very supportive, and napaka-humble na admin na kahit na sobrang talented mo ay hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. So, huwag ka mag-alala, ikaw sa likod mo, hindi kayo mawawala. So, huwag mo isipin na wala na mawawala ng support kasi nandito ako. Kita-kits this year and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday sa aking bebelad, sa aking bunso. Sorry, medyo soft-spoken ako kasi yung masama pakaramdam. But anyways, I would like to greet you happy birthday and wish you all the best in life. Isipin mo palagi kahit magkalayo tayo, yung pagmamahal at suporta, sobrang strong nun na walang makakasira dun. Kahit hindi pa tayo nakikita. Salamat sa friendship and sa walang sawang pag-intindi sa mga kabaluan ko at times. Anyways, isa si Conrad sa pinaka-special na tao at talentadong tao na nakilala ko sa SoundCloud Philippines. And it's my privilege to work with him kahit na we're miles apart and we have time differences. At least we got the chance na mag-usap-usap kahit pa paano sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa Philippines. Anyways, wish you all the best in life. I can't wait sa support, gagawin ko yan. And of course, sana matuloy kayo ng John Gabs this year. Sobrang nilook forward namin yun. And always remember, your ate will be here. I love you always.
Akala nyo si Marvin Agustin na, no? Nagkakamali kayo. Ako nga pala, si Rad Hermoso, ang Mr. Pogi ng SoundCloud Philippines. At binabati ko nga pala ang lahat ng mga nandyan sa Bulacan, si Idol Donna, si Charm, si Ate Goldie, si Kuya June, at si JM. I love you! God bless! Ingat!